Today we are looking at an ideal indent sizer. This unit has just been rebuilt. All of the bearings were checked. This unit was disassembled, sandblasted, repainted. All of the mechanical systems were gone through. We are a working shop, so hopefully that angle grinder in the background won't bother you. You can see the main bearing turning there. We have the retarder gate installed. That is what is used to tailor how long the product stays in the drum and is separated by the indents. We've got the discharges here. All of the controls are free and work as they should. You can turn it by hand. It's easily done. Sheet metal is in good shape on this unit. The motor has been thoroughly tested. It runs at the right temperature. Everything is working as it should. This indent sizer and other indent sizers are available from us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery. Thank you for watching.